Hello guys, my name is Andrew and today I will unbox a very special watch. The watch is from Michael's KORS house and it's a very luxury watch. The watch is called Access. So let's open this up. This is the box. Here we have Michael KORS Access logo. On the front and the back we have the watch. At the bottom we have information about this product. So let's see what inside. Michael KORS. This is the watch. Pretty heavy. Let's see what else is in the box. Manual, quick start guide, and also manual. This is the charger, it's a magnetic one. So this watch is an Android watch. It's at the first sight it's very heavy, I think. And it has a very nice feeling, premium feeling. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day.